Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a super jiggly and airy souffle omelette. So let's begin by separating our yolks from our eggs. I've learned that if you first drop the egg into a large bowl first, it's easier to scoop it out with your hands and separate the whites like that. This way, you won't run the risk of poking your yolks open with an eggshell. Next, we're going to beat our eggs and add a pinch of salt to it. Now whisk your egg whites till they foam up. Add your sugar and whisk really fast until you see peaks form. Today I'm using my arm to whisk, but an electric whisker will surely speed up the process. So once I have peaks, I begin to heat up my nonstick pan over medium-low heat. So while my pan is heating up, I'm going to gently fold the yolks into the meringue. When it's properly incorporated and you don't see any more egg whites, you can add it to your hot pan. So add a drop of oil and spread it around with a paper towel. Now pour in your souffle mixture and spread it out a little bit. The souffle mixture has to be cooked immediately after whipping it, otherwise it'll separate and become liquid again. The cook times for the omelette will depend on the size of your pan. It's better to use a pan that will fit more snugly and your omelette will cook faster. Drop a tiny knob of butter around the edges of your omelette to loosen it up. Now fold in your omelette and keep it lightly pressed to define its shape. Now flip it over to the other side for a minute or so, and now your omelette is ready. If you guys are wondering what a souffle omelette tastes like, I'd say it's like eating a cloud. It's very soft and fluffy on the inside, and it kind of reminds me of pancakes. Let me know in the comments below if you guys made this and what you think of it. Thanks again for watching my video. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!